Hello, my name is Gosia and I'm the apprentice of the year in childcare. I've completed my apprenticeship with school line preschool based in Llandudno, and after I completed the apprenticeship I stayed there in the role of like one-to-one support. However, the funding has run out and so my contract is about to finish. My manager offered me to stay there as a bank at the moment, and then I hope that the qualification again and experience will help me to find like a future job. So apprenticeship is a great way of gaining new qualifications that's actually relevant to the job. I think employers, they gain newly qualified staff who knows the place, who knows the staff, who knows the place ethics and ethos and all the policies, but also, you know, I had the opportunity to get to know the children, the job, and learn from one of the best childcare providers in Llandudno. By doing apprenticeship, first of all, you get the chance to stay in the job because that's for you opportunity to prove that you can do it, and also it's a chance for you to see whether you are suitable for the job as well, because you can, like, you know, that can be your dream job and you can see yourself doing it, but then within the process of apprenticeship you can see your weaknesses, you can see your strengths, and then if there's anything to improve, you've got the chance to improve. I learned a lot about myself. I learned a lot about my strengths, what I can do, what I enjoy the best while working with children, and then also it changed the way I look at myself as a person with disability, and then I just realized that it doesn't limit me and shouldn't limit me, and I shouldn't really shy away from trying new things.